Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio that Jeff brought me from his collection. He does this quite often, brings me about, 12, 15 radios at a time. And this one, this video is going to be short because this one has a problem. It's a simple problem, but it makes it unusable. Anyway, this is a SECO, and it's AM and FM. The model number is right down here, and I can't read it without my glasses, so it's not that important. AM and FM switch, earphone jack. Isn't that exciting? On-off volume, and the tuning knob is on the top here. Telescopic antenna, very short, about 20 inches. Very good condition. It has yellowed over time, no big deal. The big deal is I used a 9-volt battery. I put the 9-volt battery in, turned it on, nothing. So I tinkered with this switch a little bit, nothing. Full volume, nothing. And I'm like, what is wrong here? Oh, it's got a carrying strap. This is the old plastic style, which is in perfect condition. So if we look down here, this is where the battery goes. There is the connector. Carefully get it out. And one thing you will notice, there's only one wire going in there. The black wire has come off. So, since this is not my radio, and it would be pretty simple to fix, but it's not my radio, I'm not going to attempt to fix it. I'll let Jeff do that or get it done. As you can see, I'm fumble fingers, so that's why I would not attempt to fix it. But there it is. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Since I have a little time here, I want to thank everybody for watching my shows. My channel has really grown, mainly because of a couple of reasons. One is Jeff provides me older used radios to show you. Thomas purchases new radios for me to show you, and sellers like Prunus sends me radios for review. So my show has grown recently. I was about to give up about 3 months ago, and with the help of those people, I'm back on track. One thing I've noticed, though, is a lot of you that are subscribers don't click the bell that will give you a notification when I do a new video. In the analytics that YouTube provides, one of the analytics is how people found my show. And one of the ways is they were notified and they came to my show via that notification. So that number is pretty low. It's like 5%. So it would be helpful for yourself and me if you'd click on that bell below each video, and that turns on notifications. And when I put out a new video, boom, you get an email that says there's a new video for you to watch. I turn that on all the videos of other people's that I watch because I want to stay up to date. Anyway, also, the highest percentage of the way people have found my video is search. So that means they may not be a subscriber and they may not have turned on notifications. So I'd appreciate it if you'd be a subscriber. By increasing my number of people subscribing, YouTube then presents to the general public my shows for them to click on. And they come see my shows. If they like my shows, they subscribe. My subscriber count goes up, and it's a spiral that you want to have. Okay, I babbled enough about that stuff. I have a couple more things in the batch of radios and stuff that Jeff brought me. I have 3 or 4 more Prunus devices coming in the next week. And I want to wish you a very, very happy holidays. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That's another thing that helps if you give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.